This is NOAA weather radio station WXJ81 in Fairbanks. The current time is 8:18 p.m. Alaska Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Fairbanks has issued a severe thunderstorm. Tornado emergency for Fairbanks. The National Weather Service in Fairbanks, Alaska has issued a tornado warning for Fairbanks, North Starborough, and East Central Alaska until 9 p.m. Alaska Daylight Time. At 8:16 p.m. Alaska Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over College, or about 5 miles northwest of Fairbanks, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Fairbanks. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard. Deadly tornado. Source. Emergency management confirmed tornado. At 8:17 p.m. Alaska Daylight Time, a large wedge tornado of 1.4 miles in width, and with confirmed reports of complete destruction from areas that took direct hits from this tornado impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Fairbanks, South Van Horn, Fort Wainwright, North Pole, and Badger. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado emergency for Fairbanks. The National Weather Service in Fairbanks, Alaska has issued a tornado